Easily add Facebook feeds to any page within your site with the Facebook social element. I have a block here and I'll click on Add Elements, scroll down to the social section, and then we find the Facebook element over here. Click, hold and drag, and I'll just drop it in the block. Select, and all the way to the left in the options toolbar, this is where we find the Facebook options. Let's start at the top with what we can do. We have the option to put it as a button, and you see then we have a like and share. We can also bring in embed, and this will allow us to focus on specific posts or pages in this case, if we select that. And then we have also the option to bring in groups. Let's look at the options at the top for button. We have a like button as well as a recommend setting. And we can have it as a button or boxed, which is stacked. Hop over to advanced, and here you have the options between size, currently set to small, and then large, and you can also remove the share option. Under button, we have the embed option, which is where you bring in a post, and you can also select a specific video from Facebook that you would like to bring in. Here you paste the link. Under advanced, you have the option to disable the full post. After embed, we work with a page, and this is as simple as adding a Facebook page, the link, and then you can choose the layout, timeline, or events included, and or messages. And finally, you have the option for group. Same, you bring in a link, and this one gives you an option for a skin of light and dark. These features are all managed by Facebook. Under advanced, you can decide whether you want to include the social content and the metadata or deselect that. Depending then on the setting as it comes from Facebook, you will have the option on the width here. You can control that, give it some time to render, and you can see you can increase the size or decrease the size to something that's manageable within the design that you have. If you want to, you add some background colors, apply alignment, and then you have the normal styling, effects, duplicate, and delete options. As this element renders it from Facebook, there's really nothing to it once you go into responsive styling. Let's go back to button, and you will see that if we put it on the normal button next to each other, and we go to our tablet, nothing we really need to change here. It all looks good. From the get-go, you're ready to publish, and it's ready to be shared or recommended.